Right, we're going to do a lesson on how to calculate the density of the material below. Just a few little things that I need to try and clear up with you guys. First of all, when we are doing density, the SI unit, Standard International Unit, is kilograms per meter cubed. Okay, in other words, I need to be using kilograms, not grams, and I need to use meters, not millimeters. What I want to do with you now is to just show you how to convert your grams into kilograms. Now, most of you would know that to convert grams to kilograms, you've been told divide by 1,000 and then stick a kilogram sign behind it. I want to show how you actually get that kilogram sign just by looking at some of the basic mathematics that you've learned in your maths course. Right. I'm going to start out with some fairly simple maths terminology. If I said to you 4 divided by a half, I could write that as 4 over 1 over 2. And I would know that if I said 4 divided by a half, the answer would be 8. But how did I get to that 8? Here's the basic maths behind it. That half over there actually swings up so that the 2 is on the top, and I end up with 4 multiplied by 2 over 1, which is my 8. You might have seen it written like this, where I say A divided by B over C. That could be written as A over C over B. And at the end of the day, what have I done here? You can see how that B has moved up to the top and the C stays below. Right. Let's have a look at how that affects something that you guys probably haven't seen, grams divided by grams over kilograms. Can be written as grams divided by grams over kilograms. What happens there? I end up with grams multiplied by kilograms divided by grams. What's going to happen to the grams over here? It's going to divide in, and I end up with 1. Which means that I'd have 1 kilogram. Right. Let's have a look at how that's going to influence me doing this little calculation over here. I've got 500 grams divided by 1,000 grams per kilogram. If I wrote that down, what have I got? I've got 500 grams divided by 1,000 grams per kilogram. If you look at that, you'll recognize that that looks very much like that story over there. What's going to happen? First of all, that decimal place is going to move 1, 2, 3 places because of the 3 zeros there. So I can take it 1, 2, 3. The decimal is going to go before the 5. So I have 0.5 kilograms. Why? Because the kilograms goes up to the top.